In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your saved email passwords in Google Chrome for 2025, specifically focusing on Gmail and Google account passwords. Now, before we dive into the steps, let's set the stage here. Whether you're prone to forgetting your passwords or just need to verify what Google Chrome has stored for you, this tutorial will walk you through the simple and secure process to uncover those passwords. Make sure you're using a trusted computer, as we'll be accessing sensitive information. First things first, let's start by opening Google Chrome on your desktop. This method works specifically in Chrome, so if your passwords are saved in another browser, you'll need to adjust accordingly. Once Chrome is open, look towards the upper right corner of the window. You should see 3 vertical dots which serve as your main menu. Go ahead and click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From the menu options, locate and select Settings. This will lead you to a new page filled with various options aimed at customizing and controlling your browsing experience. Now focus on the left-hand side where you'll find a section labeled Autofill. Click on Autofill and you'll be guided to another page specifically dedicated to all things related to your saved information, like addresses and, of course, passwords. From the Autofill section, click on Passwords. This section serves as your key to unlocking all the saved login details your browser has remembered on your behalf. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a list of all websites where you've saved passwords. Chances are, you might need to do a bit of scrolling, especially if you're an internet wanderer like me. Now let's direct our attention to the search bar at the top right corner of this page. Type in accounts.google.com or gmail.com to filter out any unnecessary options, allowing you to focus solely on your Google-related saved passwords. If a password for your Gmail or Google account has been saved, you will see it listed here. To the right of your saved login details, you'll notice an eye icon. This icon is the gateway to revealing your password. Go ahead and click on the eye, and don't worry if nothing happens immediately. For security reasons, Chrome will prompt you to authenticate this request. Depending on your computer, this might involve entering your computer's password or using a biometric method, like a fingerprint or face recognition. Once authenticated, Chrome will display your saved password. At this point, feel free to note it down or update your saved passwords to keep them secure but memorable. And there you have it, a seamless way to retrieve your Gmail or Google passwords from Chrome. I hope this guide has been